In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find product ID on Shopify tutorial. If you've ever needed to connect an app, run an API call, or reference a product in custom code, you've likely been asked for the product ID. It's a simple number, but it can be tricky to know exactly where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest, most reliable way to find it inside your Shopify admin. Start by opening your Shopify admin and signing in. You'll land on the home dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate through the built-in menu so everything stays straightforward and consistent. On the left-hand sidebar, click Products. This takes you to your full product list. If you have a lot of items, remember you can use the search bar or filters to quickly locate what you need. But for this tutorial, just open the product you want to identify. Click the product name to open its details page. Once the product page loads, the key is actually in your browser's address bar. Shopify displays the product's unique numeric ID right in the admin URL on this page. Look for the part of the address that comes after Shop Products. You'll see a long number there. That long number is your product ID. Now highlight that number with your mouse. Make sure you only select the digits themselves, not any slashes, question marks, or text around it. Copy it to your clipboard. That's the value most apps and integrations are asking for when they request a product ID. If you plan to use it later, paste it into your notes or wherever you're configuring your tool. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Sometimes you'll also see a parameter like variant, followed by another number when you're on a product or switching between options. That second number is a variant ID, which is different from the product ID. The product ID you want is the long number sitting directly after Products in the admin page URL. If you accidentally copy anything after a question mark, you're likely grabbing a variant ID instead, so just double-check and grab the core number. That's it. By going to your Shopify admin, opening Products, selecting the product, and copying the long number in the URL after Products, you've found the exact product ID you need. Keep it handy for your integrations, analytics, or any advanced setups you're working on. If you repeat this process for other items, you'll have a clean list of IDs in no time, ready to plug into your apps and workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you.